Now the next topic that we will discuss is lines parallel to a given line and lines perpendicular to a given line. What does this say? Suppose you are given a line. This is the line whose equation is given to you, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. And we are interested in finding out a line which is parallel to this line. A line which is parallel to this line. And we want to find the equation of this line. Now, if these two lines, let's say this is L1, this is L2, and these two lines are parallel, then what would be the case? The slope of line L1 should be equal to slope of line L2. So one of the method is you equate the slope of these two lines, you find the slope of L1 and that would be the slope of L2 as well. So what is the slope of L1? Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, that is slope of L2 is what? This. Now let the equation of line L2 be y is equal to mx plus c. Now m is known to us because the slope of our line is what? Same as that of L1. Therefore y equals to minus a upon bx plus c. Now if we take the LCM and rearrange, we get minus ax plus b into c upon b is y. B goes to the left side and we have by plus ax is equal to b into c. Now c is obviously unknown to us. Now the important point is what we see is the equation of our line is ax plus by is equal to, now instead of bc we can write another constant, let's say c1. Now this is the equation of the line which we are looking for. What is so special about this? Look at this line. The xy part of the line which is given and the xy part of the line which we want is exactly the same. It means that whenever we have to find the equation of line parallel to a given line, the required line will have the xy part same as that of the given line. That is a line, or rather the equation of line parallel to the line ax plus by plus c equals to 0 will be of the form ax plus by plus c dash equals to 0, where only the constant part would change. The remaining part xy would remain the same. You don't have to find the slope and use y is equal to mx plus c. You can straight away assume your equation to be ax plus by plus c dash. Only the constant part would change, and this c dash will be found using the extra condition, or the condition given in the question. You don't have to go through the entire process, just use the same equation but just change the constant part to get the equation of line which is parallel to a given line. Similarly, suppose we have a line whose equation is given to us, ax plus by plus c is 0, and we are interested in finding the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this line. Obviously the slope, let's say this is L1 and this is the line we are looking for, let's say L2. Now L1 is perpendicular to L2. Now what does this imply? Slope of L1 into slope of L2 should be minus 1. What is the slope of L1? Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, that is minus a upon b, into ml2 should be minus 1. Minus and minus goes, we have ml2 is equal to by. Therefore the equation, the slope of our line is by. Therefore let the equation of our line be y is equal to mx plus c. Let's say this is the equation of the line we are looking for. Now m is known to us. This is b by a, x plus c. If we take the LCM, we have bx plus ac upon a is y, and on rearranging we have ay minus bx is equal to ac. Now this is the required line we are looking for. Now we don't know c. Now instead of ac we can use another constant, let's say c dash. Ay minus bx is equal to c dash is the line we are looking for. C dash will be found by the extra condition, by using the extra condition given in the question. Now the important point is that have a look at the equation that was given to us and the equation that we are getting. Ax plus by plus c was 0, and the equation that we are getting is, or rather we can, if we can write this the other way around, by plus ax plus c was 0, and here we are getting ay minus bx plus c dash is 0. We can, instead of writing c dash, we can write c dash equals to 0. The constant part has to change. You can add constant to any side, the value will be adjusted as per the question. Now what do you see? We see that the coefficient of y in the original equation has gone to the coefficient of x, and the coefficient of x in the original equation has gone, or has been now the coefficient of y in the new equation, and the sign between the two x and y has changed. Therefore the rule is to find the equation of a line perpendicular to a line ax plus by plus c equals to 0. The rule is interchange the coefficients of x and y and change the sign between them. And use a new constant. For example, if I have a line 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. I want a line which is parallel to this line. So what should I write straight away? The equation of our line would be 2x minus 3y plus c equals to 0. Now c is the unknown which we will have to find using the condition given in the question. 2x minus 3y part will remain same. Similarly, line perpendicular to this line can be written as, write x and y, interchange their coefficients. Now 3 will come at this position, 2 will come at this position, and change the sign between them. It becomes positive plus c dash equals to 0. C dash will be obtained by the extra condition given in the question. Now by using this method, you don't have to first find the slope of the line, then use m1 into m2 is minus 1, then use y is equal to mx plus c. All that stuff is now eradicated. You can simply write the equation, the form of the equation directly.